Have you ever wondered how some people manage to maintain soft pink lips effortlessly? Well, then you've clicked the right video. Welcome to our channel and make sure to subscribe it if you haven't yet. This video will cover lip care tips, how to choose lip products, habits to avoid, foods for pink lips. Now without wasting time, let's dive in. Lip care tips. Exfoliation. Begin your journey to soft lips with exfoliation. Gently scrub your lips using a homemade sugar scrub or a soft toothbrush to remove dead skin cells. Do not exfoliate every day. Do it once or twice a week. This not only promotes smoothness but also enhances blood circulation, bringing a natural rosy tint to your lips. Moisturization. Hydration is essential for soft lips. Invest in a good quality lip balm or natural oils like coconut oil or shea butter. Apply it throughout the day, especially before bedtime. This locks in moisture, preventing your lips from becoming dry and chapped. Sun protection. Just like your skin, your lips need protection from the sun. Choose a lip balm with SPF 15 or more to guard against harmful UV rays. Sun exposure can cause discoloration and dryness, so make sun protection a non-negotiable part of your lip care routine. Prime your lips. Before you apply lipstick, it is always a good idea to lightly brush your lips with almond or coconut oil. Wait for a few minutes and then apply lipstick. You can also use lip balm instead. This acts as a protective layer, keeping the lips moisturized and preventing them from drying out due to the lipstick. Hydration. Soft pink lips start from within. Stay well hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Dehydration can lead to dry and dull lips, so make it a habit to keep your body hydrated for a naturally radiant pout. Vitamin E essential oil. Take a vitamin E capsule and break it open. Apply it straight to your lips. It softens the lip and makes it pink. It has been shown to help with skin cell reproduction, circulation, and prevent lines and wrinkles. How to choose lip products. When selecting lip care products, be cautious and avoid ingredients that can potentially harm your lips. Ingredients to avoid: parabens, phthalates, petroleum jelly, menthol and camphor, fragrances, salicylic acid, alcohol, and artificial colors. Always check product labels and choose lip care items with simple, nourishing ingredients to keep your lips healthy and beautiful. Habits to avoid. Avoid licking your lips. Certain habits can sabotage your efforts for soft lips. Constantly licking your lips might provide temporary relief but leads to increased dryness. Biting or picking lips. This can cause damage, bleeding, and hinder the healing process. Do not share lip products with others. Avoid sharing lip balm, lipstick, or gloss to prevent the spread of bacteria and infections. Quit smoking. Smoking harms lips and skin, leading to discoloration, dryness, wrinkles, and even lip cancer. Foods for pink lips. Tomato, rich in selenium, it shields lips from sun damage. Eat raw or apply as a soothing lip mask. Coconut. Drink water, apply oil, or consume the flesh for supple lips. Nightly application ensures moisture. Walnut, omega-3 fatty acids maintain skin elasticity. Eat for youthful skin or create a lip scrub for a pink glow. Curd yogurt, protein-rich dairy keeps skin firm. Consume or apply to prevent lip pigmentation. Green tea. Packed with antioxidants, it prevents sun damage. Use green tea packs or rub a tea bag for smooth lips. Honey, a natural moisturizer with magnesium and antioxidants. Eat or apply overnight for naturally pink lips. Aloe vera contains allicin, controlling pigmentation. Drink aloe vera juice or apply gel as a lip moisturizer. Lemon. Detox with lemon water for a healthy lip glow. Its bleaching properties work well in lip scrubs. Watermelon hydrates skin with its high water content. Enjoy in summer for moist and pink lips. Beetroot. Rich in minerals and vitamins, prevents aging and discoloration. Rub a slice for a natural pink hue. Berries provide vitamin C and antioxidants. Blend with olive oil and honey for a moisturizing lip scrub. And that's it for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Remember that achieving soft pink lips is a journey of care and consistency. Embrace these tips, make them a daily ritual, and watch your lips transform. If you made it till the end, include this emoji in your comment and let us know which topic you'd like to see in the next video. See you in the next video.